Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to grow sea moss at home. First, choose high-quality, wild-crafted sea moss. This ensures you start with a healthy specimen. Next, clean your sea moss thoroughly under cool, filtered water to remove any sand or ocean debris. Finally, prepare a clean container like a glass jar with fresh, filtered water, ready for the next step. Now, let's hydrate your sea moss. Place the cleaned sea moss into your container with filtered water. Allow it to soak for at least 4 to 6 hours, or even overnight. You'll notice the sea moss expanding considerably, becoming softer and more gelatinous. Remember to change the water every few hours to keep it fresh and clean. Once your sea moss is fully hydrated, it's time to make the gel. Transfer the softened sea moss to a high-speed blender. Add a small amount of fresh, filtered water, starting with about 1 cup for every 2 ounces of dry sea moss. Blend until you achieve a smooth, consistent gel. This usually takes about 1 to 2 minutes. Your homemade sea moss gel is now ready to use. Store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will last for up to 3 weeks. For daily use, simply add 1 to 2 tablespoons to your smoothies, teas, or other foods. If you're making a larger batch, you can freeze portions in ice cube trays for up to 3 months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.